three of us. These are my two kids. Ethan, say hi. Say hi. Ethan and yeah, everyone knows. So Ethan here is not feeling well. Well, all of us not feeling well. We have flu. We have a little cough going around. So he will have his grilled cheese with bread, and we, however, we are having some spicy grilled chicken wings and drumstick.
Yes.
So he marinated the chicken with lots of chili powder and
Black pepper.
and also I made a special sauce, the dipping sauce. I add, I think, 10 small chilies with cilantro, with lime juice, and also we have some sweet Thai sauce to dip. So we have two kind of dipping sauce. One is the one that I made, and one is the Thai. And we have raw radish on the side with fresh cucumber. Yeah. So we have how many wings altogether? Yeah. How many sets of wings?
10.
10, and
10
then
chicken
we cut it into two, so 20 pieces. We have 21 pieces.
Yeah.
How come you got extra?
I'm not sure.
2, 4,
Lucky.
6, 8, 10,
11.
Oh yeah, we have
21.
extra. Okay. The challenge is
Whoever can withstand the heat wins.
who back out the first to back out is losers. So yeah, and no water, you cannot drink.
No water.
And he was very mean. At first he said there's no cucumber. I said please let there be cucumber. So in the end he agreed.
It's a challenge. It's a challenge.
So another challenge is no drinking.
No
So we have to dip in both sauces, but these are quite sweet. They're not spicy,
Yeah.
but the one that I made are quite spicy. So yeah, so we're gonna eat, and who back out first? Losers. And we will have some ice cream for dessert.
Oh yeah.
So okay, let's dig in. I'll start with cucumber. This is not a race, right? So I can take my time and eat. Eat. Nicely grilled, you guys. Pedas ke bro?
Mana dah? It looks so white. Ethan like school or not?
No,
Me too.
me too.
School is a lot of fun.
We eat a lot of fun. No. We eat a lot of fun.
Why?
Better than knife. It's better than knife.
Are the teachers good to you?
No.
Hmm. Who's the teacher? Who's the teacher? Then
What's your teacher's name?
I don't know.
that's a good name.
No. I don't like to go to school.
Okay.
Me also.
Today at home.
Okay.
Okay.
Nobody handles first day of school well. They'll cry. But they'll get hang of it soon.
Yeah.
Ethan has his organic juice here. Here. Is it nice?
Is it nice? Yeah.
I'm sensing someone giving up.
Nope.
Oh,
Nope.
for salam.
Vừa đâu?
Someone nose is running.
It's because I'm flu.
Dạ chú cháu.
Ethan have flu also.
Cái anh đưa cháu.
Untung got flu also. You talk to who, Untung?
Bà mà chết.
Everyone all look.
Bà mà
Okay.
chết.
Both dipping sauce are good, but mine is spicy.
Sorry then. Yeah, I think you win lah.